The man with the fittest body in Bollywood, Vidyut Jamwal, launched the latest edition of Health and Nutrition April 2017 issue at the Magna House, Prabhadevi. Vidyut was open to questions and answered to all those who asked about his fitness regime, who according to him is the fittest in B-Town, his body habits and how he choreographs his own stunts and why. You have to listen to the man to know your answers, so check him out.
Keep changing everything I do. I do not follow paradigm. I do not follow what I do every day. If I enjoy, I've just come to this conclusion about 25 years back that every cell in our body has divine intelligence. The body knows what it wants. The body knows what it's supposed to do. So you should know how to listen to it. A lot of people just listen to what other people say. And I was talking to Nari sir and I was telling him that there are a lot of girls who are dying to be thin. But I know a lot of girls who I just love the way they look. They don't need to lose weight. The way they are is the way they should be. If you have a broad shoulder, please. No, I really mean it. It's that if you've got a broad structure, you should please enjoy being broad. Because I know a lot of beautiful women who lose weight and don't have the charm, they don't have the glow, they don't have the radiance. So please know what your body is and be what that is. But fitness is very different from what you do. So you should have a fitness regime. You can go for a run, you can go for a walk, you can do yoga, you can do Pilates. Do something to be fit. That's what it is. See, all the actors are very fit. All the actors are very fit. But what I do, very few people in the world can do. So I don't have a comparison with anybody. I don't like to be compared. I don't want to be compared with anybody. I am very aware of my body. The number one thing that we should do is awareness. If you're aware of what your body wants, should be, you'll be able to be what you want to be. That's what I do. Live in full awareness. Very few people are in awareness. So if I want to eat salt, I will make sure I eat something that is salty. If I want sugar, I'll make sure I'll eat that thing that is sweet. I was just talking to her and I was telling her that when I read interviews where people say, please go off carbohydrates, please do not go off carbohydrates. Because carbohydrates is the food for the brain. If you are off carbohydrates, you're on a diet, you will be irritable, depressed, sad. You will get that body, but you will not be happy. So, answering your question, I'm aware. Trust everybody, but I trust myself more than them. But the answer is not that. The thing is that what I can do, the ability that my body has, I know it. So hence I have to choreograph. Like somebody cannot tell me, Vidyut, get into that window. I know if I can or I can't. That's why.
Now, if you want to be fit, the April 2017 issue of Health and Nutrition is a must-read with tips from Vidyut Jamwal.